Final duel to get to the next chapter. Future and past never last. I collided with the machine and won. That reflects. I reflected right back. Night Day Griefer, Defense, Labromancer, Magic Girl. And then I removed it from a defense to attack. No, yes. And then I got enough energy for the Silver Icalcos for the Night Griefer. And then I attacked a machine that still keeps going and sending people on missions. And then I attacked directly with the Labromancer Magic Girl. And the guy gave up, man. What a duel. What a sensation. My final duel. Until a new chapter from past and present, we have to keep going back and forth in a circle of a desire, and some to admire, and some to fall, and some to want to be higher. And it was time to duel. Right across the street from my college, basically, that I went to, the first one. Right to Technical College. Goodbye for now.